Hi kids, welcome to Kid Junction channel. So today we are going to learn most important information about Republic Day. So let's start. Happy Republic Day. This year 73rd Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day 26 January of every year. 26 January is a national festival. Why we celebrate 26 January every year? Since 1950, every year January 26th is celebrated as Republic Day. In India, it was on this day 1950 that the Indian Constitution came into existence. Republic Day marks the celebration of empowerment of Indian citizens to select their own government. Every year, Republic Day is celebrated in India. Magnificent parades at Janpad, New Delhi, comprising the Indian National Army and national flag hoisting in various parts of the country are common practice followed on this day. Republic Day being held on 26 Jan was not a coincidence. There is a past and it is a quite interesting. When the Congress first demanded Purna Swaraj on this 26 Jan in 1930, it started in 1929 during the Congress session in Lahore under the chairmanship of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Congress had announced for granting an autonomous rule for India by 26 Jan 1930, and after that India would declare itself a completely independent country. This day came to no reaction was there from the the government on the issue, and after that Congress started its active movement of achieving complete independence from that day. When India became independent on 15th August 1947, remembering the day of 26 Jan, the Constitution of India was established on the same date. In every year, the President of India hoists the national flag at Rajpath in New Delhi. After that, national anthem Jana Gana Mana by all the other people present there collectively stand and sing the national anthem. And after that, various cultural programs like dancing, singing are performed. Once again, Happy Republic Day. Proud to be Indian. Jai Hind.